The Devitt and Moore Award Programme was introduced to promote a greater love of learning across our curriculum. Not only that, but to promote the skills that are most valued by universities and employers when pupils leave Pangbourne College.
Devitt and Moore goes beyond a traditional approach to learning and celebrates the individual pupil through nurturing passions and interests over 1 year. The evidence shows us that enjoying education has incredible effects on motivation in schools, which of course has an added benefit of improving attainment.
Each year, a new list of exciting topics will be crafted by our amazing academic staff body and circulated to all pupils in years 9 and 10 who have opted into the award. Currently, we have over 40 titles, and pupils will then have the opportunity to select one of these and express their thoughts in a way that best suits them. A pupil could take any title and write an essay, paint a picture, write a musical composition. The list goes on, and there are so many different possibilities that pupils can explore.
I have always loved the ocean and all its strange inhabitants. This led to a short career as a diving instructor and leading shark dives with no protective cages. Students learning about coral bleaching will gain valuable knowledge, critical thinking skills, and most importantly, a sense of responsibility towards the environment.
So I hope to share with the pupils on the Devitt and Moore programme my love of singing and how they could benefit from singing both physically and mentally. Students who choose to learn more may want to research the physical and mental benefits from a scientific perspective or a sports perspective, or they may look more into the sociological angle on how it perhaps benefits people and communities.
Cosmology is astronomy on the biggest scales, macro rather than micro. Applying our knowledge of astrophysics, general relativity, particle physics and much more in an attempt to answer the biggest questions of all. How did the universe start? How will the universe end? Will the universe end? A wide-ranging topic which inspires fascination and awe in equal measure.
We want this to be for our pupils and predominantly run by our pupils. We are really proud of our community at Pangbourne, and having a student-focused approach allows for collaboration across the year groups as they work on their individual projects.
I believe that the opportunity for students to research and analyse how theatre and media has evolved through time and how this reflects our ever-changing society will be highly beneficial for those individuals with similar interests.
The Film Analysis and Theory title allows students to further explore the films they watch for fun or find interesting. Learning to understand and appreciate film language within a particular context or through a particular lens will allow students to unpack film texts.
There are no specific assessment criteria for the project, and it is very much pass or fail. The year all culminates in a Viva, which is held by the head or I, or indeed another member of the academic management team.
The Junior Award is a compulsory part of the Year 8 Theory of Learning curriculum and works a little bit differently. An annually changing list goes out and pupils select a question that best suits them in the summer term. These are assessed through a large poster conference in the summer term, which is judged by both senior staff and sixth form scholars.
Of course, there are prizes for the best entries. Strong pieces of work could receive vouchers to be put towards further studies, or, in exceptional cases, we may even award a scholarship to that pupil to really celebrate their achievements.
I'm really excited to see all of the pieces of work that our pupils produce across the college. My own title, which is Extreme Economics, will give pupils the chance to draw in aspects of history, geography, psychology, politics, sociology and economics, of course. We've designed the list so that pupils can learn something a bit different, which will link into so many of the other subject disciplines. But in the bigger picture, I believe that this programme will enable our pupils to develop the skills that they need for their future academic study and for their careers. And I really can't wait to see what they produce at the end of it.